Hello everyone, I am Rian Ahmed and I am really excited to present our work that get accepted in IEEE Computer Graphics and Applications. The title of our paper is Splitting Vertices in Two-Layer Graph Drawings, and this is the author list. Multilayer networks are used in many applications to model complex relationships between different sets of entities. For example, this is a multilayer network that has been used by biologists to show different relationships. For example, the left layer represents anatomical structure, the middle layer represents cell types, and the right layer represents genes, proteins, etc. Here we can notice that there are lots of edge crossings. In our work, we study two-layer networks, which is also known as bipartite graphs. Previous research shows that edge crossings can significantly impact graph-based tasks, and it is desirable to either reduce or remove edge crossings. Here we can show a two-layer network. Here this is the top layer and this is the bottom layer. And there are several edge crossings. To get rid of edge crossings, we split the vertices. For example, we split U into two copies indicated by the same color and label. Notice that the neighborhood is same. Here we have 1 and 2, the neighbors of U, same as input. We study several problems. For example, we study the CRSK problem, which stands for crossing removal with splits. Here K is the maximum number of splits allowed, and we show that this problem is NP-complete. If we fix the top layer, or any layer actually, so let's say we fix the top layer, then it turns out the problem is polynomially solvable, where E is the vertex edge set, E is the edge set. Similarly, we show that CRSP problem, crossing removal with split vertices problem. Here, split vertices means that we don't care how many times a particular vertices got splitted or not. We care whether a particular vertex got splitted at least once or not. So CRSPK problem is NP-complete, we show that. And similar like before, we also show that if we fix the top layer, then the problem is polynomially solvable. So far, we have considered crossing removal problems. What about crossing minimization problem? Here we need to consider another parameter M, which is the maximum number of crossings allowed in the output. And it turns out this problem is NP-complete even if we fix the top layer. So CMSKM is strictly harder than CRSK. However, if we fix both layers, then the problem is polynomially solvable, assuming the parameter K is a constant. This kind of problem is known as XP problem. Now we have some polynomial algorithms. Not only we have implemented them, but also we have developed a visualization tool whether the user can input a graph and interact with the visualization. For example, in the left box, the user can provide a graph in JSON format, and then the user can click the draw button. So we will show an initial layout, which is computed using the alphabetical order of the left layer and the right layer. But if the user wants, then they can select pericentric order, then the initialization will be done using the pericentric order. This is an interactive visualization. For example, the user can point a particular node and the system will show the details. Also, the user can click a particular node and it will show the neighbor edges. Now, you can see that there are lots of edge crossings. If the user clicks split, then we will run our algorithm and we will split the red vertices, and we will also change the permutation of the red vertices, and we will get rid of all edge crossings. Now, if the user wants the opposite, for example, if the user wants to fix the red vertices and split and change the permutation of the blue vertices, then the user can click this radio button to do that. So to summarize, we have several theoretical results, and also all the codes are available in our GitHub repository. And this is my email. Feel free to ask any questions or concerns if you have. And thank you for watching the presentation, and goodbye for now.